Hi, I am from Phone Transformer and today I will show you how to check transactions in Roblox. This guide is easy to follow, so stay with me and now let's get started. Step 1. Open the browser on your iPhone or Android phone, then go to roblox.com. This is the official Roblox website where you can log in and view all your account details safely. Step 2. Tap Continue in Browser when the option appears. This ensures you stay on the website version instead of switching to the app, which is necessary for accessing the full transaction page. Step 3. Log in to your Roblox account if you are prompted. Logging in helps Roblox load your personal dashboard so you can access your Robux balance and purchase history. Step 4. Tap the Robux icon in the top right corner. This icon displays your current Robux amount and provides access to different Robux related options. Step 5. Tap on My Transactions. This section contains a complete list of everything you have purchased, earned, or spent inside Roblox. Step 6. View your My Transactions page. Here you will see your full history, including recent purchases, item transactions, and any Robux activity connected to your account. Step 7. Tap the Summary drop-down to switch between current purchases and past purchases. This makes it easy to check both your recent spending and older transactions whenever you need. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel